this is new. Welcome to Diva's Talk. I am Dia, I am 15, and honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. But I wanted to create a channel or a series where we can have a real conversation, a real talk, no perfect edit, no 30-second content, just me, my sofa and real conversation. You have came from Instagram. Hey, if you are new here, welcome. Either way, let me tell you what it is gonna be. So this isn't gonna be vlog channel. I might post some vlogs sometimes, but it's not the main thing. You can consider it as like talk show. It's just me. No guest, no fancy equipment, just honest conversation about the things we teenagers go through. So I'll talk about mental health healing because I have been gone through it. Relationship, the messy reality, not the Instagram version. Full pressure, expectations, all of it. And yeah, sometimes girly stuff like makeup, music, I'm obsessed with it, and fashion. How I feel. But here's the thing. I am not expert. I am literally 15 and I am also figuring things out. So it will be less me teaching you and more let's figure it out together. So some episode will be Q&A, some episode will be storytelling, and some episode will be I talking about the things, the topics which is more important for teenagers. That's all which we which is really important to discuss. Why am I doing it? Honestly, I also needed someone between 7th, 8th, 9th. When I was in 7th, 8th, 9th, I also needed a person who on internet who can talk about real concept, real things, real problems which we teenagers are facing. So I also wanted, so I thought, why not I take a chance and I make videos on this all. That time I really needed, because there was academic pressure and all, I really needed a real content creator who just talk on real stuff, who just don't say like stay away from toxic positivity, and who don't say that stay strong. Just a real conversation. I just wanted a real conversation, not a 20-second or just watch a video and then get motivated and then again watch the video and then get motivated. No, just solution, real talks. If you are someone who feels like you're feeling like you're healing slowly, overthink everything, struggled with boundaries, feel misunderstood, is just trying to figure out who you are, this is for you. You're not alone. I am there with you. So how it will work? I'll post once or twice a week, still figuring out the schedule. The video will be around 10 minutes and I'll just sit and have real conversation. I'll just talk, but I want it to be interactive. So drop questions in comments for my Q&A episodes. Tell me topics, what you want me to talk about. Share your own experience. Let's have real conversation. Also, I'm on Instagram, Diva in Town. If you want to follow me there, you can. I post shorter content here, shorter content there, sorry, and reels, but similar topics. But YouTube is where we can have deeper conversation. Am I right? Oh, and one side note, I am 10th grader, so my boards are coming. So some weeks can be chaotic, but I'll try to be consistent. Growing up is messy, so this channel is. We are learning together. Am I right? So yup, that's what it is. Just a 15-year-old girl with sofa, a camera, no script, no filter, just real talk. And script, yeah, I have script, but please understand it, bro. And thank you if you made it so far. Hit subscribe button if you want to be part of this. Drop a comment and tell me where are you from, how old are you, what topic you want me to next episode I am thinking either Q&A or talking about what I have actually learned at 15. Let me know which one you want. Alright, I'll see you in next video. Take care of yourself. You matter. Bye.